John Van Leen in New Zealand, Sotheby's International in the Manawatu, Feilding in fact, a beautiful Tuscan style country home just on the border of Feilding. You just don't find them like this. The long driveway, the canopy of trees, and sitting behind you, the Tuscan style flavoured home, just a beautiful home. For those that are looking for an industrial size shed, lots of outbuildings, and a property that you can just enjoy from the moment you wake up to the late evenings, this is perfect. Let's have a little wander through. I know you're going to love this one. Well, I'm going to say and recommend, write this address down, number 66 Pharazyn Road, Feilding. It's just on Feilding's doorstep. A beautiful home with great atmosphere and feel. We just love it to bits, the alfresco living. But here it is, 4 bedrooms, an office, ensuite and walk-in wardrobe, 2 beautiful living rooms, and of course we've mentioned the industrial shed. Don't miss it. Call Michelle and myself today as quickly as you can.